Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making one of the most popular recipes on my blog, and there's some chicken skewers that can be whipped up in 30 minutes. They're so delicious and packed with so much flavor inspired by my Moroccan background, so let's start making them. We're going to take boneless, skinless chicken thighs and cut it into small pieces. Now you can use chicken breast, but I highly recommend using thigh because it's just a lot more juicier. We're going to add some olive oil, paprika, cumin, salt, a little bit of onion powder, some ginger powder, and you can also swap this for some fresh ginger as well, turmeric to add a beautiful color, black pepper, freshly minced garlic, plain whole fat milk yogurt, finely chopped cilantro, and finely chopped parsley. Now we're going to mix that all together really well so the marinade is even all around the chicken. You can let it marinate for 30 minutes, a few hours, or even overnight. The longer the better. Once it looks like this, it's ready to go. Now it's time to skewer them, and if you're using wooden skewers, make sure to soak them for at least 30 minutes in some water before to make sure they don't burn in the oven or on the grill. Depending how much meat you want on the skewers, you can add as little or as much as you want. Just make sure to pack them kind of tightly and then set them on a wired rack on top of a tray if you're going to use the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and you're going to roast them in there for about 20 minutes. If you have a barbecue or a grill, even better, feel free to use that instead of the oven. Once they're done roasting and the chicken is cooked to perfection, we're going to top it off with some more cilantro or parsley depending on what you want, as well as some sumac. All that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. On that note, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!